Hi, this is Lydia Doherty with Wild and Willie, Tales and Tales. I wanted to say be safe and make sure you do your distance and keep everything disinfected as much as you can. Wash your hands and be careful. Well, I have my gloves. I've been to the doctor's. So far just for regular routine follow-ups, but we're just keeping it down and under somewhat, try not to worry too much. Finished my Irish colored and beaded St. Patrick's Day scrunchies. I'm going to show you, I did finish the whole thing with all the little skirting and the eyeballs. They've been kind of twisted around a little bit, but I brought it to work I brought it to my visits and carried around using it for my yarn. I'm making masks with also out of it. So here we are. Got my crochet on a stitch. And I'm going to make it out of Royale from Red Heart. And I like the way it's curly and all fuzzy, and maybe that'll help trap some of the little boogers out there in the air floating around. I heard you can use copper. I've seen copper yarn. And for people with arthritis and carpal tunnel, they can knit them fingerless gloves with that yarn. So I have tonight some unboxing. And I did an earlier video today outside in the sun while I was working on the crochet project and the Yippee Yippee pattern by, I can't remember the name, but I got it through a link on Cindy Hearts Crochet and Accessories. I ordered some carry-on and 1 pound, so I guess that will take care of me while we're down in the thing we're in. So we're gonna keep busy doing our little projects. I'm bending over to pick up more things. This was actually given to me for a Christmas present, and I did get Yoda done, the little guy, just this past weekend. Turned out really cute. And now I'm asked to work on the baby Yoda. So I'm watching Mandolin to see what it looks like, and I've seen there's patterns out there also for the baby Yoda, because it's got a different outfit. And of course it's got its egg. Then I have also a pattern for doing the Wonder Woman shawl. So I've got some colors to go with that. And that's through some yarns that have been picked up in the local thrift stores and whatnot. It takes a while to collect enough sometimes. But I did start a project with the Naughty Knitters, and they're pretty fun patterns to go by, and this is a DP way. They have crochet and they have knit, which is DP of course. And for the little baby Yoda, I forgot to show you, I have some yarns picked out for the blanket, and then there's going to be some lighter tan for his little outfit. And then we're going to get some pink for inside the ears. And then I can't figure out yet what I'm going to do for his teeth, but he's got some. Yeah, they're really cute. And then my daughter wanted to try this color way from a darner on Cardi, and she's new. Does it on the side. She works full time but dyes yarn. She just loves to do that, and she's very, very nice. They made really close friends real quick. And then today I also got baby yarn from KO, and I've got the Caribbean, and here's some chartreuse and some violets. Also got a bag with her new crochet hooks and all her accessories. And let's see, this is more yarn. And then sometime before that, I also got her pattern book with the motifs. And Magic Motifs is a very lovely book. I can't wait to get started on redoing some of her projects that I've learned online from her tutorials and used breakfast yarn for. Also, I have these hooks that she had before. So there are certain hooks for certain projects that I know, as well as size and company that makes them. There's one of her bags for washing your articles in. And some more yarn for making a baby blanket. This was like a kit of hers that she had going for a sale. And I just dropped that bag. So that's it, along with patterns that are still coming. When came through the PDF download, so I got the digital copies, and I just have to say, well, see you when we'll see you again. It's great to be able to talk to you and show you what my first unboxing looks like. I hope I covered everything. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and give me a like. Thank you. Take care. Love you, and peace.